Hey guys, now we're talking about lower level versus upper level credits. What does that mean? So you may hear that term thrown around. It can be confusing if you're not used to the whole college thing. So we're going to get into it. So think of college as freshman, sophomore, junior, senior year. So that's how it's traditionally been. That's how a lot of these things are broken up. So 100 level, 200 level, those are traditionally taken in your freshman, sophomore years. 300 level, 400 level, traditionally taken in your junior, senior years. So those are called upper level credits. So a lot of degrees will require a certain amount of upper level credits and different things like that. So that's what that means. So if you see it, the designator, it says the little course code says, like for math, it says MATH 140. That's a lower level. Those are lower level credits. If it says most of the math are lower level. If it says like writing, WRTG for writing, that's course code, and then 350. That's upper level credits. So that's an easy way to see what 100 it is. If it's 100, 200, lower level, 300, 400, upper level. Once you get into graduate degrees, like a master's degree, it's going to be 500, 600 level because those are graduate level credits. That's pretty much it. Thanks, guys.